Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to set up and use the Face Unlock on the Pixel 10 Pro. So actually this process is quite easy. At first unlock your phone and then just simply go to the settings of your device, finding this gear icon. Here scroll till you see for example, here they have an option called Settings and Security and Privacy. And as you can see here, Google adds an alert notification that it recommends us to set up the Face Unlock. But as you can see, it's over here. But if you don't have it here, you have to now scroll down to Device Unlock in the Security, scroll down to Face, and here tap Add Face. Now enter your pattern or add a fingerprint and do a fingerprint, and here tap more back again, and I agree. Now as you can see, we have a quick tutorial how to set up Face Unlock. On the screen, hold your phone at eye level, so we have to have this camera somewhere maybe some higher than our eye, somehow like that. Here tap start, and now as you can see, let me do this for my face. We have to center our head in the circle, tilt our head up, and tilt our head down. And as you can see, it's like this. We don't have here any face IDs or something like that, it's just like this. Here we have to tap done now, and now we can set up the Face Unlock. Use Face to unlock your phone, verify that's you in the applications. We can here delete our face if you want to get rid of that. Require your eyes to be opened, always require confirmation of skin or skip lock screen. Now if I lock my phone, I can do nothing, and as you can see here, we do have our Face ID actually active. Let me take my phone, and now it's unlocked. And that's how it works. If you have any questions, ask them in comments below. Goodbye!